Smoothie recipes, healthy smoothie recipes, fruit smoothie recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best 5 healthy smoothie recipes. Welcome to Ama Cooks, and let's dive right in. For our healthy smoothie recipes, the ingredients we are going to use: spinach, bananas, strawberries, peaches, blueberries, strawberries, almond milk, also Greek yogurt. And I have all these ingredients already washed, so make sure you wash your ingredients. I'm gonna cut my bananas. Make sure your bananas are well ripe and get your rings out. Half cup of banana, 1/4 cup of strawberries, 1/4 cup of peaches, 1 cup of almond milk, half cup of banana, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of almond milk, half cup bananas, half cup spinach, 1/4 cup strawberries, 3/4 cup of cran-pomegranate juice, half cup bananas, 1/4 cup peaches, 1/4 cup blueberries, 1 cup almond vanilla milk, one banana, half cut peaches, 1 spoon of vanilla Greek yogurt, almond milk, Hello friends, so we just finished making the best 5 smoothie recipes, and they all taste so good, so lovely, and you will love it. I would love for you to leave a comment in the comment section for me. How did yours came out? I would love to hear from you. How did you like yours? And also I have a video on how to make the best 3 smoothie recipes. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. If you have any smoothie recipe ideas for me to make, please leave it in the comment section below for me as well. And always, thank you for watching my videos. I will see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.